So here we have two graphs of phenotypic values between wide-eyed and wild type, 1-to-1 ratio and 5-to-5 ratio. We see that wild type is definitely the most common one. We can also see that during week 4 both types had the highest reproduction frequency. Wild type resulted with 77 flies and wide-eyed with 24 flies.
From doing our chi-square analysis, we can determine that our hypothesis can be accepted. We took week 5 for both 1-to-1 and 5-to-1 ratios as an example, and from this, both of our hypotheses were accepted, which leads us to say that the wild-type fly is a complete dominant type of fly in our experiment, and this is backed up by the chi-square analysis and the graphs that were displayed earlier. So from looking at our first video and our hypothesis, we can definitely agree that the wild-type fly is definitely the most common occurring fly. Because of reduced genetic diversity, we see that the small population descended off. Every time it descended off, our genetic diversity got smaller because the flies obviously were let go. And because of that, we learned that chance also played a big role in our project. Because in our 1-to-1 ratio tube, no wide-eyed flies survived. And if we could repeat this experiment, we would want to make sure that our environment and food source is completely perfect so that there is no interferences from the outside influences. All in all, we do believe that this experiment went well and that our hypothesis was accepted.